And now let's understand Pranamaya Kosha, the energy layer. Pranamaya Kosha is the life energy inside us. Breathing activity and freshness keep us energetic. And now get ready for some calm cuteness and confidence all together. Pose.
Namo Namah Namah Guru Sadaive Dhyanam Bhavam Bhavam Pratipadam Rasatmikam Smaranam Sukhamayna Dehamukha Nishacharam Ninu Cheranidu Ekshanam Velugedi Chupadugatamonnmayam Nithyanadari Tanmayam Paramatmadhyasaloiham Palikinu Prana Bhashat Soham Chikatidarula Dikkula Marin Sadguru Ninne Cherana Kannula Vembadi Kurisenu Dharaga Amruta Binduvu Neruga Dehamu Yabbani Poojaku Poosina Puppula Chetto Guruvara Tilise Natika Nene Nane Kane Nenani Devara Namo Namah Namah Guru Sadaive Dhyanam Bhavam Bhavam Pratipadam Rasatmikam Smaranam